Hey guys, let's see how we can set up a quotation template in Odoo Sales to ease your work. For that, I'm moving on to the sales module. Under the configuration settings, we need to enable one of the feature. So simply scroll down and you will get a quotation template under the quotation and orders. So it is actually used to create a standardized offers with default product. You can simply enable this option and please do hit the save button before moving on to anywhere. And there you can find and provide a default template that should be used under any kind of quotations. And there we have the internal link of the quotation template. Simply click on that option and you can simply create a new one. So here in my DB, I don't have anything. I just going to create a new one, which is furniture. Okay, office furniture. So let me provide the name as office furniture. And there you can provide a quotation validity for this template. So let it be 50 days. And there you can provide a confirmation mail, the company, the invoicing journal under this office furniture quotation template, the quote calculator. And if you need the online signature, once under the quotation template, you can enable this feature. And there we have the online payment enabling feature as well. Once we guys are done with that, the second important thing is to provide the product under your line tab. So I just want to provide it as customizable desk, and there we have corner right desk. So what are the product that you need to include under the office furniture? You can simply provide them. So I just added 4 of the product inside my product catalog. Once you guys are done with that, you can provide the quantity, like update the quantity as well. Let it be 2. Let it be 5, let it be 4, and let it be 2. Okay, once we guys are done with that, you can also add up any kind of description. And I'm just going to save this manually. Moving on to the orders, and I want to create a new new quotation specifying with the customer, which is open boot. Now you can see here we have a place to provide the quotation template. We are going to see a magic now. I just going to provide the furniture, which is office furniture quotation template. Once you guys are done with that, ta-da, you can see the order line tab is filled with the product, the quantity, the unit price and amounts and everything. So that's how simply you can create a quotation template and use them inside the sales module. Now you can confirm this quotation template quotation into a sale order, move with any of the further process. So that's all about this video. Bye-bye.